We've got quite a lot of weather to get through over the next 12 to 24 hours, with potential of scenes like this in a few places, especially over high ground. What we've got at the moment is this area of low pressure. This was at 6 p.m. this evening. You can see the winds were quite strong here, coming in from the south-southeast for a time. They've started to drop away now, and the rain started to move through that we've had most of the evening. In fact, you can see here as well that there's the main rain area moving away. And by 3 a.m. it's gone, but we've got a lot of showers moving in off of the English Channel, which could be very heavy for a time. But the thing that's really getting our attention is this. Now, you can see these are the temperature maps, and you can actually see here that the temperatures are still quite mild. This is at 3 a.m. That's across the island still, and the winds are coming in from the southwest. But by 6 a.m. they switch around into the north-northwest, and these colder looking temperatures are starting to drift their way towards us, and they drift right across the island through the early hours of the morning, and as we reach dawn as well, and as it starts to get light. Now that will have quite an effect on the weather. So this is a little while back. You can see the rainfall moving through, really quite heavy as well, but you can see all these showers down here in the English Channel, and like I said, some of these will be potentially very heavy, especially as we head through the night. So this is the first half of the night. We've still got some showery outbreaks around, but and the winds they've been in the south-southeast, but they're now switching back round to the south-southwest now, and strong to gale force, but dropping off quite rapidly. So this rainfall is moving through, but there are showers coming in behind it. Now, as we head through the night into the second half of the night, some of these showers could become very heavy. There's a very high risk of hail, almost anywhere really. So yeah, you're likely to see hail if you get a heavy shower, and you may even see the odd flash of lightning here and there. It's not guaranteed the lightning, and the risk is lower than the hail risk, but it's still there. And the winds will be dropping off to fresh by then, and coming in from the southwest, but with the temperature still 7 to 8 degrees Celsius, or the odd pocket in the east here may reach 5 or 6 that's sheltered from the wind. Now, as we head into, should we say it's still the second half of the night, but as we head towards dawn, the showers start to move away, and we start to see this rain moving in, and this is coming in from the northwest. And as it moves through, the temperatures start to drop away, with the wind directions switching into the north-northwest, and they'll be strong, but increasing to severe gale as we head towards dawn. Now, some of this rain will be turned into sleet, and possibly even snow in a few higher locations across the downs in the south and the west of the island. So that gives us a bit of a difficult forecast to start with, because it's hard to say where rain, sleet and snow is going to fall. We're expecting general sleet across most of the island. Now, if anywhere is going to get snow falling to low levels, it's going to be anywhere from central, perhaps eastern parts and southeastern parts of the island here. We're not expecting anything on the ground at this point, but we may see a little bit of snow mixed in with the sleet reaching ground level. And over the higher hills, we're definitely going to see a little bit of snow falling, perhaps giving a bit of a covering in a few places. Now, these severe gale force winds are going to make these temperatures of 2 or 3 degrees feel much, much colder than this. We're going to be looking at a wind chill temperature of -7 to -8 degrees Celsius, possibly even colder in more exposed parts here. So it's really, really going to feel very, very cold tomorrow morning. As we head through into the afternoon, the clouds, sleet, snow and rain all starts to move away to the southeast, and we start to get these brighter spells moving in from the northwest. Now, during the second half of the afternoon, just before sunset, we're expecting the skies to be almost clear, and it will still feel quite chilly with temperatures 3 or 4 degrees Celsius. The odd spot, if you're lucky, you might reach 5, but the winds will be gradually dropping off from what had dropped off to around gale force by early afternoon. Will continue dropping off to strong, so we're going to be looking at winds around 35 miles per hour in most places, with a few stronger gusts. So anyway, that's all for the moment. Not much to update you on really, but we are going to give you some more updates if things change or if the risk of snow increases. So that's all for now. Goodbye.